And here we are on the airport next. We want to say thank you to all you guys who watched all our videos. Well guys, this is our last day here, last day in the ocean. Claudia, all the way back up there. Maybe you can see her going inside our little hut. And I take our last few hours here for some sunbathing and some swimming and just enjoying the awesome beach. And yeah, tomorrow we have to wake up really early, I think at 5 AM, then go to the taxi at 6. So that we are around about 7 at the check-in of the airplane. Then we will hop on the plane from Koh Samui to Bangkok, have a little layover, 3 hours in Bangkok, and then we will straight fly back to Zurich into the coldness. We were texting to some friends and they told us the weather in Switzerland, where we're going back, is actually at -5 to 10 degrees, so we can hope for snow. Hope. And now we will enjoy a little bit here. Claudia, I think, is taking a cold shower. And I taking a little dive with you guys. So, see you wherever I turn the camera on next. Guys, the moment is here. Time to say goodbye to Daru, to Thailand, and to go home to Switzerland. Well, it's now, what time is it? 6 at the morning. We are awake since 5 PM. Now we'll head to the front, go to the taxi. We hope the taxi's there, and then we will head to Samui Airport, and yeah, then separately we will fly home. So let's grab those bags. Let's grab this tired lady. Go home. So see you on the track. And here we are on the airport, next airplane. Woo guys, we are back in Switzerland, cold Switzerland. No snow Switzerland, surprisingly.
Yeah, but cold.
But cold. So when you look at Thailand and when you look in Switzerland, definitely cold. Yeah, we just did not film everything when we turned back because we just arrived in Bangkok. Then we had to wait for our luggage, had to stress to the next plane, and then from there we flew straight back to Zurich for 12 hours.
Yeah.
We weren't that amused for taking up the camera, and that's why we picked up the camera a few days later. We're home, we're landed safe, we're sad that we're not in Thailand. We wanted to say thank you to all you guys who watched all our videos. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, of course, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel, if you like our videos. If you have any questions to our destinations we were, just don't hesitate. Put your ideas on everything down in the comment box. We try to reply as fast as we can. For the future, what you can expect from our channel from now is we want to explore more Switzerland for you guys. We want to show you some travel tips from our country. We want to show you what you can do in Switzerland, how you can save money, where you should go, what you shouldn't miss, what you should eat in Switzerland.
Yeah.
We want to make a whole package for you guys because we got a lot of comments from you that you would love to come to Switzerland, you don't know what to do, that Switzerland is so expensive, and we want to show you how to travel Switzerland. So if you're interested in that, you also should subscribe to our channel if you don't have. And if you have something in your mind where you would like to go, but you are not really sure what to do there, or if you really should go there, just text us down in the comment box or send us an email or send us on our Instagrams. I will link them down. Just keep your ideas flowing to us and we will try to answer all your questions. So I hope you see you guys on the next video. Until then, yeah.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.